Hi, I'm J. Mark Green from BSIE 3A. For today's video, I'm going to discuss on how to use and maintain power and hydraulic tools. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start! For power tools, I choose power drill. What is a power drill? A power drill is a tool with an electrical motor that rotates a replaceable drill bit at your choices of speed to create a hole in a variety of materials. The drill can also take driver bits to allow easier driving of screws through different materials. How to use a power drill? First, select the driver or drill bit. For driving screws, use a small driver bit with the shape of the end of the screwdriver. Drills commonly are sold with a starter driver bit for Phillips and flathead screws. You can purchase additional drivers bit with different shapes for screw brands such as Torx and Spax. Second, chuck in the driver or drill bit. Most power drills have keyless chuck function. This means that you can loosen the drill's collar by turning it counterclockwise if the drill is facing you, until the chuck opens just large enough to permit the driver or drill bit. Then, you tighten by turning the collar in the opposite direction. The rotation of the drill will keep the driver or bit securely in place. Third, drill a flat hole. This is optional for driving screw into woods prone to cracking. It is advisable to begin with a pilot hole. Chuck in a drill bit is slightly less than the diameter of the screw that you will be driving. Drill the hole, then follow by driving the screw. Fourth, place the driver or drill bit. With your finger of the drill's trigger, place the drill bit on the spot where you intend to drill. If you are driving a screw, place the driver bit in the head of the screw. For the fifth, begin to drill or drive. Most power drills have a variable speed option. The speed of the drill's rotation increases or decreases in response to the pressure of your finger on the trigger. With either drilling or driving, begin slowly. This aids you in maintaining a better control over the drill and the work material. First, brace the drill with your free hand, then gently pull the trigger. Next, press on the power drill. In some cases, when drilling downward, the weight of the drill will exert enough pressure to carry the drill through the work material. In most instances, though, you should gently press the drill toward the work material. Complete the action for drilling the drill bit will continue through the work material. To remove the drill bit, put outward while the drill is not rotating. If the drill bit is stuck, turn the drill to its reverse mode and slowly rotate the drill bit while pulling out. How to maintain power drill? First, keep your drill away from heat. Even when kept in a thick weather-resistant storage case, cordless drills must not be stored in places where temperatures can reach to a significantly high level. Failing to do so can cause damage to the battery and increase the risk of explosions as well. Therefore, avoid leaving the drill outdoors and keeping it anywhere else where it receives direct sunlight. Similarly, you must pay attention to the heating system and plumbing lines when storing your tools in the basement. Second, keep your drill off the ground. If you are drilling outdoors and need to put the drill down for a while, try to keep it at a slightly elevated surface. If you put it on the ground directly, dirt, debris, grass clippings, etc. might get stuck in the drill bit. The third and the last one, lubricate it. If you feel the drill bit is spinning freely, check for any small fragments that might be stuck at the base near the chuck. If it's clean, there's a chance that the chuck is jammed. This can be solved using a lubricant. For hydraulic tools, I choose hydraulic cutter. Hydraulic cutters are the biggest, meanest, and sharpest pair of shears you have ever seen. They have metal blades that often made of hard steel that can cut through even the most difficult metals. How to use hydraulic cutter? Hydraulic mechanism or hydraulic cutters utilize a hydraulic mechanism to close a scissors. Hardened steel blades, oil under high pressure around 700 bar, is pumped to the movement mechanism to deliver enough power to cut even the hardest materials. The hydraulic cylinder of some cutters are filled through an external pump while others have an electric pump with a battery integrated in the scissors handle. Each type has its advantage and disadvantages. How to maintain your hydraulic cutter? Tip 1. Keep them clean. The primary cause of premature hydraulic tools failure is a dirt and contamination. Usually, piston and rams are the areas on a remote head where dirt and contaminants enter, unless you leave the hydraulic fluid reservoir open, which we don't generally recommend in field operations. Tip number 2. Use them properly. Misuse and abuse are strong causes for tool failure. Using hydraulic tools for hammering or praying is an obvious misuse. However, many manufacturers report this type of equipment abuse as a common sight during repair and reconditioning. Tip number 3. Be sure to follow maintenance. Your self-contained hydraulic tools will last 5 to 15 years with proper care and maintenance. Make sure you check their system operation yearly. You can expect the same life expectancy for electric powered pumps. You should check their system operation yearly as well. The best preventive maintenance procedure for pumps is an annual hydraulic oil change. You need to make a yearly check of hydraulic hoses, both insulated and non-insulated. For cracks and leaks, most electric-powered crimping tool manufacturers have hydraulic hose care manuals. Make sure you refer to them before and after tool usage. Do not attempt to repair a hydraulic hose. Contact your tool manufacturer and replace it with a new one. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!